The Edifier R1700BT Bluetooth speakers are a perfect solution for those who want the best of all worlds. Whether you're looking for bookshelf speakers that can be used as casual listening, something loud enough for small parties, or if you need them just right with your TV sound system, these do it all, and mostly, they do it well. Edifier's less expensive options are way better than their price would indicate, similar to the company's mid to low-level speaker line, with some added connectivity not found in non-Bluetooth versions of these speakers. They are versatile for those who need something functional across many categories while still being easy on your budget. The Edifier R1700BT speakers are an immensely appealing proposition. Let's check out the details. We're rather fond of the Edifier's design. You only get one finish option with the speakers, but we don't mind as the contrasting walnut vinyl and black body looks quite smart. There are a couple of clever design touches that we like, too. For instance, the speakers are built with a 10-degree upward slant, which Edifier claims is to ensure the sound is directly aimed at the listener. We also like how the rotary controls for treble, bass, and volume are neatly housed in a little cutaway section on the side of the right speaker. It means the controls aren't at the back of the speaker or marring the fascia. Although left-handers may not be too pleased with the positioning, the R1700BT are built solidly, especially for this price. Although we take issue with the sharp edge on the tone controls, we prefer the speakers with the grills on. They look neater, but you can pop them off to expose the drivers and bass port. The speakers come with a slim, plastic remote, and while we're not huge fans of this kind of flimsy control, it's useful to have it close at hand to adjust volume or change inputs. Just make sure you don't lose it down the back of the sofa. We imagine most people will be using the speaker's convenient Bluetooth streaming feature to listen to music wirelessly. However, if you want to plug in non-sources like CD players or even use the R1700BT as TV speakers, there are two pairs of RCA analog inputs around the back. Edifier helpfully includes appropriate cables in the box, so you can easily connect a non-Bluetooth music player, too. Play Brenda Lee's Let's Jump the Broomstick, and the Edifier R1700BT deliver the lively, nimble tune with heaps of enthusiasm. They sound fun. Lee's soulful voice is expressive and rousing, and you'll soon be snapping your fingers along with the bouncy rhythm. There's a smooth approach here that's some fussy with low-resolution streams over Bluetooth, which makes for long and comfortable periods of listening. That warm and richly detailed mid-range works wonders with vocals, too. There is a slight thinness to the edge of the treble, but it's not severe enough to veer into sharpness. It's not the most precise or open sound, but the dynamics are pleasantly fluid. The R1700BT are neither dinky nor huge in size, so they have a decent amount of weight to their sound. It gives guitar plucks, piano clunks, and drum hits a satisfyingly solid feel. Where the Edifiers let us down is their handling of bass. Whether you're playing Smashing Pumpkins' angsty ballad or First Aid Kit's folksy My Silver Lining, the bass lines stick out so much that they nearly overshadow the speaker's overall performance. It's not a question of volume, either. Even at quieter levels you can hear that ungainly bass line thumping away almost comically. It's the one blip in an otherwise engaging and enjoyable performance. In the context of budget speakers, the Edifier R1700BT are hugely appealing. They're up against some tough competition in this market, but they've got a likable sound that's fun and easy to live with. They are definitely worth a serious audition. If it weren't for that errant bass line, they might even be deserving of full marks. Well, this is my observation with this particular model. Maybe you've experienced something different, so it would be a pleasure if you share yours in the comments section below for the rest of the viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you a great day.